If you own a Samsung, stop everything. The One UI 8.5 update is here. It packs mind-blowing hidden features. Samsung completely forgot to tell you about these. This will completely change your device. Let's start with feature number 1. Go to Settings and tap on Notifications. Now navigate into the Advanced Settings. Notice the standard battery pill icon. Tap the toggle to get a cleaner look. Feature number 2 is all about security. Go to Security and Privacy in your settings. Tap More Security Settings and restart. This forces a reboot if your phone isn't used. Your data remains safe even if it's... Now let's move on. Now let's explore Audio Broadcast. Navigate to Connected Devices in your settings. Tap on Audio Broadcast and toggle it on. You can easily edit the broadcast name. Others can join by scanning the QR code. Let's check out the next features. Gallery and Security also got major updates. Open the Gallery app to see direct private album access. Move personal media to secure it quickly for smart story creation. Type a prompt and let AI create a... Here's a final bonus tip for you. Pinch out on your home screen like this. Tap Settings to find the direct home up link. Comment below with your absolute favorite feature. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Fact for you. Let's talk about multitasking. Swipe the edge panel and drag an app for split screen view. Tap the divider and save this app pair to your home screen. This feature is huge for your productivity. It makes combining apps incredibly seamless.
If you are in a crowd, a meeting, or with friends who have Auracast-supported devices, you can broadcast your live voice or media seamlessly. They just hit listen, scan your QR code.
These features focus on gallery and security. There is now direct private album access. Secure your media quickly with this shortcut. Type a prompt story creation. The AI quickly creates a stunning montage. These updates make I hope these hidden features help you get the most out of your Samsung device. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Fact4You for more tech tips. See you in the next one.